Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort by a specific column in Google Sheets so you can organize your data exactly how you need it without mixing up your rows. Let's get into it. First, highlight your data table. The most important rule when sorting by a specific column is to select your entire dataset. If you only select one column, the surrounding information won't move with it and your data will get scrambled. Click and drag to highlight all the columns and rows that belong together. To do this quickly, click the top left cell of your data and press Ctrl-A or Command-A on Mac to select the entire table automatically. Next, access Advanced Range Sorting. To ensure Google Sheets knows which column is the boss of the sort, we need to use the Advanced menu. Click on the Data tab in the top menu, then select Sort Range and click Advanced Range Sorting Options. A window will pop up. First, check the box that says Data has header row. This tells Sheets to ignore your titles and only sort the actual data. Lastly, choose your column and order. Now you can pick exactly which specific column will determine the order of your entire list. Under the Sort By dropdown, select the specific column name you want to prioritize. Choose A to Z for smallest to largest, or Z to A for largest to smallest. Click Sort and you'll see your entire table rearrange itself based on that one specific column while keeping all your row data perfectly aligned. And that's pretty much it. To sort by a specific column, highlight your entire table. Go to Data, Sort Range, and select Advanced Range Sorting Options. Make sure to check Data has header row, pick your specific column from the dropdown, and hit Sort to organize your data instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.